Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Inspiron N5110 battery is probably one of the most essential components for your laptop, and finding a reliable replacement can significantly impact your daily productivity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who enjoys on-the-go computing, a high-quality battery ensures you're not tethered to a power outlet. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Inspiron N5110 battery, exploring its features, performance, and what makes it a worthy investment for your laptop. Number 5. NinjaBatt Pro Battery for Dell Inspiron Laptops. NinjaBatt is proud to present its new line of batteries. This new replacement battery uses premium battery cells and is made of the highest quality materials. It can bring your laptop back to life. Forget about those low-cost laptop batteries. This 4-cell Li-ion battery is rated at 40 Wh 2600 mAh 14.8 V. Combined with its premium cells and smart control chip, it can outperform and outlast any battery out there. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Dell Inspiron 14, 15, and 17 series laptops. It is designed to fit various models, ensuring you can find the perfect match for your device. The battery is designed for maximum safety. It includes overheat, short circuit, and overload protections. These features, along with certifications based on standards, guarantee your peace of mind while using or storing it. We are so confident in the performance of this replacement laptop battery that we're including a 12-month warranty. If anything goes wrong, we will replace it with a new one or refund you. What we like. This battery uses premium cells, ensuring a long lifespan. It's built to last with over 1,000 charge cycles, making it a reliable choice. If you are looking for a battery that can withstand heavy daily use and offers peace of mind, you should consider this one. What people say. The battery works perfectly. The battery is a perfect fit and works great. Number 4. Replacement J1KND 11.1V 48Wh Dell Laptop Battery. Is your Dell laptop battery draining too fast? This replacement battery is designed to breathe new life into your device. It's a reliable solution to keep you powered up. This battery is a Li-ion type with 11.1 V and 48 Wh capacity, featuring 6 cells. It's built to meet or exceed original specifications, ensuring optimal performance for your laptop. Enjoy over 500 recharge cycles with this battery. You can count on it for consistent power, making it a dependable choice for everyday use. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Dell Inspiron and Vostro models. Check the description to ensure it fits your specific laptop model. It's the perfect match for your device. This replacement battery is 100% compatible with original Dell batteries. It's also certified with IEFUU RoHS UL standards. If you have any issues within 12 months, we're here to help. What we like. This battery offers a solid 500+ recharge cycles, providing dependable power for your laptop. It's also certified for safety, giving you confidence in its performance. If you are looking for a reliable replacement with a focus on safety and longevity, you should consider it. What people say. This battery is specifically designed for Dell Inspiron laptops, and it fits perfectly in my device without any issues. I've been using this battery for a few weeks now, and I'm impressed with its performance. It holds a charge well and provides me with ample battery life for my daily tasks. The build quality of the battery appears to be sturdy and well made. It feels durable, and I haven't encountered any issues with it fitting into my laptop or with any loose connections. Number 3. NinjaBatt Dell Inspiron 15 3000 Series Battery. Is your laptop battery failing? This replacement battery from NinjaBatt is designed to bring your laptop back to life. It's made with high-quality materials and top-grade battery cells. This battery meets OEM specifications, ensuring reliable performance. It's a 6-cell Li-ion battery rated at 49 Wh, providing a true charge capacity you can depend on. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Dell Inspiron and Latitude models. Check the list to see if it fits your specific laptop model. Safety is a priority. This battery is certified and includes multiple safety features. These features include short circuit, overheat, and overload protections. Built with high-quality components and grade A battery cells, this battery ensures durability and performance. It also comes with a 12-month warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This battery is made with high-quality components and offers a true charging capacity. It's also safety certified, ensuring your device is protected. If you like a battery that combines performance with safety and durability, you should consider this one. What people say. The battery works great. The battery is a perfect fit and works great. The battery works perfectly. Number 2. J1KND Laptop Battery for Dell Vostro Inspiron. This is a high-quality replacement battery. It is designed for various Dell Vostro and Inspiron laptop models. It ensures reliable power for your device. The battery is Li-ion with a capacity of 5,200 mAh, 58 Wh and 11.1 V voltage. It has 6 cells, providing a good balance of power and efficiency. This battery is compatible with multiple part numbers. You can easily find the right fit for your laptop model. Check the list to ensure it matches your needs. Expect 2 to 3.5 hours of operation time, depending on usage. Grade A cells offer fast charging and low power consumption. It ensures your laptop runs smoothly. The battery uses top-quality materials and circuit boards. It has overcharge, over-discharge, over-temperature, and short-circuit protection. It's built to last with up to 500 recharge cycles. Enjoy a 30-day full refund and a 12-month warranty. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours. We provide friendly after-sales service. What we like. This battery features a 6-cell design and a high capacity, ensuring extended usage time. It also includes overcharge protection for added safety. If you have a need for long-lasting power and reliable protection, you should consider this one. What people say. The battery works perfectly. The battery is a perfect fit and works great. Number 1. IEFUU J1KND 11.1V Laptop Battery for Dell Inspiron. This is a brand new laptop battery from IEFUU. It's designed to be a reliable replacement for your Dell Inspiron laptop. It ensures your laptop runs longer. The battery has a voltage of 11.1 V and a capacity of 48 Wh. It utilizes Li-ion cells, ensuring efficient power delivery. This battery is built to last. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Dell Inspiron models. These include the 13R, 14R, 15R, and 17R series. Please check the model list to confirm compatibility. The battery is also compatible with various part numbers. These part numbers are listed for your convenience. Make sure it matches your original battery's part number. The battery is 100% new from the manufacturer and IEFUU certified. It offers up to 500 recharge cycles. This ensures both safety and long-term performance. Please double-check your laptop model before purchasing. This will help you avoid buying the wrong battery. Ensure a perfect fit for your device. What we like. This battery offers a good balance of power and capacity. It's also IEFUU certified, ensuring it meets safety standards. If you are looking for a reliable and safe battery for your laptop, you should consider it. What people say. Perfect match, worked good. Switched out the old battery on my 7-year-old Dell laptop, had died completely and been running off of power only, and topped off the charge. Then I fired it up and it has been working beautifully, just like when I first got the computer. I charged it and got an easy 3 hours before having to charge again. So far I'm very happy with it. I hope it lasts a few years. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.